The Rack Shop is proud to present this Ford F-150 Raptor, and we've just installed the Slimline II tray onto the bed of this truck. So it's a mid-height system that you can see here. So it's a great option that if you don't have a bed cover with tracks to add racks to it, or you don't want the traditional clamp-on style racks, you can go with this system. So the track gets drilled and is permanently installed onto the truck bed. On top of that, you've got the Front Runner legs and the Front Runner Slimline II tray, which measures in at about 62 inches by about 53 inches. If you notice here on top, we've got some of the Front Runner quick mount, quick release rooftop tent brackets. Not a part of this particular bundle, but are a great accessory that you can pick up if you are using a rooftop tent and want to be able to install and remove it super quick. So a great product there. So along with those, Front Runner has an extensive line of different accessories to help dial in your rack system for what you need. But this has just been a quick look at this vehicle. For more details, pictures, or to purchase a complete bundle with a couple clicks, visit the link in the description below. And that's going to be it for this one. But like always, thanks for watching.